to my channel. I hope you're doing really well today. Today's video is a shopping haul. I've been into Superdrug and I've also been into Poundland, so I've got quite a few bits to show you. So if you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? That way you can keep up to date with all my latest videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I've uploaded. So first off, we're going to go through, I've got my little wrap up bag here, but we're going to go through everything that I got from Superdrug, so let's delve in. So first thing I picked up was the Scent Moriz. This is the clear medium dark tan should I say, no mess, fast results, streak free with vitamin E mousse. It's actually a mousse even though it looks completely clear. Now this was $6.99, so actually I think it was a really good price. I actually thought this was more expensive, but maybe the price has come down. But I wanted to get this because I don't want to like ruin my bed sheets, you know. I mean, obviously you probably can't see this going on because it's so clear. I believe this one's not very, it kind of doesn't smell, hopefully. That's what I've heard anyway, so I'm going to see what that one looks like. If you're interested in seeing a review on this, please leave me a comment below. I'm happy to do a full review on this particular tanning product. Actually I want to see how good it is for myself anyways, but if you are interested, I will film that for you. So yeah, so I got that. Now I'm in search for a new foundation. Now yeah, I absolutely love the Clarins foundation. It is lovely. It's got a lovely dewy satin finish. It's full coverage, it's not cakey, but it's about £31 a bottle, and it is quite on the expensive side, I would say, for a foundation. I mean, I'm quite happy to wear that when you're going out and stuff like that, but I wanted one that I'm going to use every day, and if I use that every day, it's gone in no time. So I'm trying to find like a drugstore sort of more high street sort of price, around maybe £10 mark. So I've got a couple that I'm going to be trying. So first off, I picked up the Loreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. Now I got it in the shade 140, which is golden beige. I'm not sure, this is supposed to be, it's full coverage, it did say that. I'm not sure if it's going to be cakey or if it's going to be a matte finish. Matte finishes generally don't suit me, but I'm going to give that one a go. Now that was yeah, so this one was $10.99. So obviously if it does work, it's not the biggest of bottles, but if it does work, if I'm happy with it, then I'm quite happy to purchase this again to use on a daily basis. But obviously I need to just test that. I think I did try the tester on the back of my hand, but obviously the skin on the back of my hand is not my face, is it? So I need to test it properly. So yeah, I picked that one up as well. Now the other one that I picked up as well is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. Now this is more of a dewy foundation. This is in the shade Vanilla. This one was £7.50, which I thought was a really good price. Yeah, I picked it up in Vanilla. I think I've already said that. But yeah, satin finish, so right up my street. Slightly smaller in the size. Yeah, so this one's 20 mils and this one's 30 mils. It says it's slightly shorter, so I thought I'd give that one a go as well. That one was $7.50, so if I like that one, then I'm saving even more money. So I got that as well. Now the other two things are from the Nip+Fab range, Nip+Fab, and they had a deal on. So it was 2 items for £22. Now normally they're about £20 each normally, so they should have cost £40 for 2, but it was 2 for £22, which is an amazing deal. So I got the Nip+Fab fixes. This is the plumping and volumizing serum with the oat extract to tense and smooth appearance of wrinkles. So I got that to use. Hopefully maybe use under my foundation as a day cream, maybe some days. Obviously I still like the Sanctuary one as well, but I thought I'd give that one a go. So that was that one. And then the other one is a night cream, because I'm currently running out of the current night cream that I'm using, that I got in a birch box or a glossy box. That one's running out. So this is the Nip+Fab fixes again, night care with slow release retinol, which is brilliant. So obviously retinol is going to be really good for wrinkles. So yeah, I got that as well. So it was 2 for 22 quid, which is amazing. Sorry, last thing as well is I picked up the Pro Base Banana Blur Primer. Now this is for the MUA, so I picked that up as well as a Pro Base primer. I've heard that it's really, really good, so I thought I would give that one a go as well. So this one's actually quite cheap as well. This was £1, but it's actually on sale at the moment for £4, which is an absolute bargain. So yeah, so I picked that one up too. So if you're interested in an update on anything on those items, then please leave me a comment below. I'd be happy to let you know. Right, moving on to Poundland. Got a nice big bag of stuff here. So first off, let me do the exciting thing first. So I picked up this lovely fluffy sort of pillow teddy throw that I picked up. This is 120 centimeters by 150 centimeters, and this was £5. Oh my god, amazing. Feels absolutely lovely and soft and snuggly. So that's absolutely amazing. Can't wait. And they had it in what other colour did they have it in? They had it in another colour and I can't remember. It clearly wasn't a colour that I was going to pick, but yeah, they had a different colour as well. But have a look before they run out. So I got that too. That was £5. Then obviously, because I'm now getting the Slimming World chips from Iceland, I picked up this quicker chips. Superb tasting oven chips in a super quick time. So this obviously lets the heat get underneath. I used to just put them in a baking tray, but obviously this is so much better because it's obviously going to cook all the way round, so it withstands high temperatures. Just wipe and clean, or you can put it in the dishwasher as well, which is brilliant. It's freezer proof and dishwasher proof, so that is amazing. That was £1, so I thought that was really good. I picked up as well a new baking tray. This was £1, so yeah, 32 centimeters non-stick roasting tray. So I picked that one up as well. Ours is getting a little bit crusty, so got some new ones. Also picked up some Tampax Pearl Compacts. This was £1 as well. Right, I managed to pick up as well another pack of cat food. As always, I picked up a couple of packs of Anodin, so I got those from Poundland as well. I stocked up again since I used all the batteries in those lights that I got last time. I'll leave a link above if you haven't seen that Poundland haul. I did pick up some really good Duracell ones. These ones were £2 for 4, and then obviously you can get your Kodak ones, which were £1 each for this pack. So I picked up a few batteries and stuff as well. Now I also picked up these Fibre One bars. These were £1.25 or £1.50, I think they were. Might have been £1.25. Yeah, so I picked those up as well. They didn't have the popcorn ones in, but they had these ones instead. So they're lovely as well. They're really nice. I think they're 4 cents. I picked up a couple of the USB chargers. Now I got one for my mum because she's got an iPhone and she's got a dodgy cable at the minute, so I've got her a nice little pink one there, a cable, and that was £1. And I got myself one for my phone because I've got an Android phone, so I got myself a new little cable as well. I just thought it was good, just handy if you want to put it in your bag, or you know, if you're out on the go and everything, you just got a spare one. I also picked up my favourite shampoo and conditioner, which is the Gliss Hair Repair by Schwarzkopf. Really recommend these. Actually spoke to a lady in store and told her that they were really good, and she picked them up as well. So yeah, love those. Picked up a little cat toy, which I thought was super cute. This has got catnip in it. They did some really lovely little cat toys and things. And that was £1. So it's got catnip in it, so my cats go, well, Jinx especially goes completely crazy for catnip, so he's gonna love that. And it's got little feathers on the end there, so that they can have a little bit of fun with that. I also picked up this little noodle duster. I thought this was really cute. This actually extends as well. I didn't actually know this, but it extends, so you can reach high places with it. Obviously do low places with it. I thought it'd be really good, just a little bit of a tutty bit of, just to sort of dust round a little bit. But yeah, it's one of the noodle ones, so I thought that was really good. And I got it in pink. I think they did a couple of extra colours, but obviously I wanted the pink one. Now, last but not least, I picked up, they got some new pens. Obviously they've still got the pens with the gem in the top. I'll show you. They They still have these ones, which are really, really nice, but they now have some new ones. They've got this one, which has got like a little crown on the top. Can you see that? Which I thought was super cute. And then the other one has got a little ball of some kind on the top. Can you see that? So I thought that was nice as well. So I picked one of each of those up too. I love the little crown one. It's also got a little diamante in the top there, which is super cute. So yeah, got those as well. I'm a sucker for a pen. I'm a sucker for a pad. Yeah, so that was everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.